This quick video is about how to make a blank or empty command on Facebook, and this trick will work on both iOS and Android. Okay, let's quickly open any browser and type blank Unicode. Then open this first link compat.com. And if you did not see this U plus 2800 Unicode, then just tap here and type that Unicode name, search. Likewise also you can find this Unicode. Then copy this Unicode character. For that, just a long press on this box and copy. Let's close this and open Facebook. Then jump to the post you want to send blank command. Then tap and paste here. Now click on send. That's it. You successfully make a blank command on iPhone Facebook. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.